Comedy is going on. Basically, yesterday India has smashed Sri Lanka out of the park. They have comprehensively defeated Sri Lanka. 50 runs all out. India has chased down the total. Within 5 or 6 overs itself, they have chased the overs. Shubman Gill has given wonderful cover drives, back foot punch. Ishan Kishan has given an uppercut and finished the match. Match was over within 5 or 6 overs. They have turned that Premadasa Stadium into not as Sri Lanka's home ground anymore. It is no longer Sri Lanka's home ground, that Premadasa Stadium. It's basically, Premadasa Stadium is basically Sri Lanka's home graveyard basically. It has become a graveyard. पूरा कबर निकल दिया पूरा. सिराज ने पूरा 1 ओवर में 4 विकेट चटकाया और श्रीलंकन कैप्टन को वापस पैविलियन में भेजा और कुशल मेंडिस जो इनफॉर्म बैट्समैन था उसको भी पैविलियन में भेजा. ठीक है, और हार्दिक पांड्या ने 3 रन देकर 3 विकेट चटका दिया पूरा. वो नाकामुका स्पिनर को बाहर निकल दिया और सिराज ने तो वो हेलमेट मैन और पूरा मतलब अपनी पोड़ो स्पिनर को वापस भेज दिया पूरा. ठीक है, वो फिनिशर को भेज दिया. तो 50 रन में श्रीलंका ऑल आउट हो गया. कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं, मतलब कुछ चुतिया लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मैच फिक्स था. ठीक है, मैच फिक्स था, श्रीलंका ने जानबूझकर हारा है ताकि इंडिया जीत जाए. व्हाट अ फिक्सिंग मैच एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, इफ इट इज अ फिक्सिंग मैच, व्हाई यू हैव कम टू द टूर्नामेंट? If it is fixing match, then even 228 runs you have lost, right? That also was a fixing match. You have lost 128 runs. You have scored against India. That also was fixed. Then 2 of the batsmen didn't come out to bat against India. That also was fixed. 2 of your bowlers are purposely inside the hospital. Purposely they are just acting, play acting. They are not injured. They are basically play acting. मतलब तमाशा कर रहा है ताकि उसको वर्ल्ड कप ना खेलना पड़े. तो वो भी है, हम लोग भी आरोप लगा सकते हैं. तो ऐसे चुतियापा बातें मत करो. आपका चुतिया दिमाग और चुतिया गांड अपने घर पे रखो. ठीक है, उतना गांड मस्ती मत करो. ठीक है, अभी आपसे फोकस हटा दिया. हम आपसे अभी इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है, कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखता है. ठीक है, नाउ वर्ल्ड कप इज स्टार्टिंग. रोड टू अहमदाबाद. ऑल द इंडियंस शुड फोकस ऑन द वर्ल्ड कप. वी शुड सी आवर टीम्स स्ट्रेंथ एंड वी शुड सी आवर टीम्स वीकनेसेस. 5 talking points in this Asia Cup was: first strong talking point is that bowlers has outshined the batsmen. Seriously, I didn't expect this type of bowling performance from Team India. But yesterday, the way Miyabai has bowled, exceptionally he has bowled, the way he has toppled the Sri Lankan batsmen in their home ground, and they were in good form, mind you. Sri Lanka was in quite good form. We thought it's going to be a tough match. It's going to be a Super Sunday. But the way he has toppled the top order in a single over, he has taken 4 wickets, and the way Bumrah is bowling, so in the starting 10 overs, our bowlers are bowling really well. They are picking up early wickets. Even against Pakistan also, they have picked up early wickets. Even against Sri Lanka in that match also, Super 4 match also, they have picked up early wickets. Only against Bangladesh, when they both were rested, there also we have picked up wickets. Early wickets we are picking up. So definitely in the power play overs, first power play overs, the fast bowlers are picking up wickets. That's the big strong talking point. Second big strong talking points in this Asia Cup is that Kuldeep Yadav has taken 9 wickets in 24 hours against Pakistan and Sri Lanka. He is simply mind-blowing. The way he is bowling, they are not able to pick him properly. So he can be really an X-factor going into this World Cup, Kuldeep Yadav. We have to see how Kuldeep Yadav stands against Sena countries. South Africa, England, New Zealand, Australia. We have to see how he bowls against that one. This Australia series, upcoming Australia series would have been a great challenge for him, but he has been unfortunately rested. For the first 2 ODIs, he has been unfortunately rested. I really don't understand why BCCI is doing this one. So this is why BCCI is conducting tournaments, perfect tournaments they are conducting. I understand that they have conducted this tournament perfectly. This will be a good warm-up for the upcoming World Cup. Everything will be proper. But they are resting players. What's the use of conducting such series? I really don't understand. Maybe they want to try out the bench strength. So Kuldeep Yadav has bowled exceptionally well. Then third strong talking points is that Shubman Gill scoring runs against Pakistan. He has simply smashed that. Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill in the initial overs, they got runs and they are scoring 100 runs partnership they have scored. And against Bangladesh, he was the lone warrior. Akshar Patel at last tried to support him and India almost won the match. But he was the lone warrior. He has got 100 against Bangladesh. Okay, other batsmen absolutely looked clueless. They didn't look settled at all. Shubman Gill played exceptionally well. Only against Sri Lanka, he was dismissed. But he is getting runs and he is in sublime form. He's playing really, really well. Hope the form continues. So upcoming series against Australia, we have to see how he bats against a quality bowling side. We have to see how he plays. So Shubman Gill, superb this Asia Cup. Another strong talking point of this Asia Cup is that after the first match against Pakistan, after the top order failed, Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer was back to the pavilion like a pack of cards. Ishan Kishan and Hardik Pandya told that we will never give up and middle order is there to stay, and they played a responsible, matured innings and built a partnership of around 100 or 150 runs. They have built a partnership and put India in a respectable fighting total of 266 runs. फिर बारिश आ गया था, फिर मैच कैंसिल हो गया था. मेरे को पूरा यकीन था कि अगर बारिश नहीं होते तो 266 रन्स मैच विनिंग इनिंग्स होता, इंडिया मैच जीत जाता. जिस तरह से पाकिस्तानी ने बल्लेबाजी किया है इस टूर्नामेंट में और इंडियन बॉलिंग लाइनअप जिस तरह से प्रदर्शन किया है, तो मेरे को लगता है कि वो मैच भी हम जीत जाते, कंफर्टेबली जीत जाते. तो मिडिल ऑर्डर ऑल्सो शोइंग लॉट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी एंड लॉट ऑफ मीन्स fighting spirit they are showing. Fighting spirit, maturity, then elegance also they are showing, and they are showing little bit aggressive nature also. So hopefully the middle order plays. But unfortunately in the Australia series, even Hardik Pandya is rested. So another solution means a problem is there. In the against quality bowling lineup, Hardik Pandya will be absent for the first two ODIs. Let's see how it progresses. Now the weakest, now two weak links we have is that our fielding has been not up to the mark. It is nowhere world-class fielding. Fielding, we have dropped many catches, we have done many misfields, then we have done overthrows. Our fielding needs to improve. Our players are fully fit and everything, but they are not fielding properly, they are dropping a lot of chances. Hopefully our fielding improves. If we field like world-class, if all our players field up to their 100% potential, if they give their efforts on the fielding, then definitely it will rise up the spirits. And second thing is that bench strength is not looking strong at all. Bench strength is not looking strong at all. Surya Kumar Yadav is not performing. Then Tilak Verma also didn't show any promise or anything against Bangladesh. They got the chance, golden opportunity to make India win that match, to make India unbeaten the whole tournament, but they completely failed. In this Australia series, all of them are getting chance. Even Gaikwad is getting chance. Even Ashwin has been called up. Players are getting rested. New players are called up. I think the management wants to test the bench strength because injury is a lot of scary. In this Asia Cup itself, Akshar Patel is doubtful for the World Cup. First phase of the World Cup is doubtful. So Washington Sundar has replaced him. Then Shreyas Iyer also has gone to the hospital. When he'll come back or not, God only knows. Means he came back from the injury, played one match and then again went to the hospital. So this is the problem. Injury is a lot and lots of concern. So if our players stay 100% fit, then definitely we are looking good this World Cup. Let's see what happens. But don't hype the team so much. Don't keep very high expectations or anything. Keep a decent expectations. After watching Asia Cup performance, I can say that we will not get embarrassed and humiliated. That much I can guarantee and say that we will not get embarrassed and humiliated like we got in the T20 World Cup before. That much I can say. And in the World Test Championship, we got humiliated, right? Hopefully we don't get humiliated. We will not get humiliated. Saying if the players remain fit, if all the players, whoever played the Asia Cup, if all of them remains fit, we will not get humiliated at least. And this Asia Cup has been absolutely magnificent. Absolutely brilliant. Man of the tournament, I would like to say the group of the tournament is basically the groundsmen. They were absolutely superb. The way they drive the ground, stop, start, stop, start, stop, stop. Rain was coming, again going. Rain was coming, again going. The way they have covered the ground and started the match on time, resumed the match on time, the amount of hard work they have done, seriously they deserve a lot of salute. Salute to the ground staff. That's why Mohammad Siraj yesterday, after getting the man of the match tournament, he has dedicated that $500. Whatever he has got, $500 or $5,000, he has got whatever he has got, he has dedicated to the groundsman. So that was a wonderful gesture. Superb. This Asia Cup was absolutely magnificent. Now time to gear up for the World Cup.